you know that men go through menopause as well? It's called andropause. And I'm excited to invite you to the webinar that will talk about the male and female menopause and what happens in our body when the hormones are misfiring. So maybe you have noticed a drop in your energy levels, fatigue, muscle pain. Maybe you are aware of the mood swings, irritability, nervousness. Maybe your sleep and libido is not what it used to be. And on top of it, you notice the change in your body shape. So you have maybe skinnier legs, but you have this abdominal fat, abdominal area, and maybe even enlarged boobs and even man boobs. So if you would like to get back into the driver's seat and prevent these hormonal imbalances and learn which food can help you and which lifestyle changes can help you to get your health and well-being in optimal shape, then you definitely don't want to miss this webinar. Check the details below.